This weekend sees the last of this season's domestic cup competitions take centre stage as the New Saints and Bala Town face each other in the JD Welsh Cup Final. It will be the 130th final in the competition's proud history, and both clubs will be looking to write history of their own on Sunday. Bala will be appearing in their first Welsh Cup final to round off what has been a fine season for the club, while Colin Caton's men will be looking to finish runners-up in the league come the end of the campaign. And after they came from a goal down to see off Carnarvon in the semi-final, the Lakesiders now go in search of a maiden cup win. Meanwhile, the New Saints have already broken records of their own this season, with their fine form in the Dafabet Welsh Premier League seeing them surpass Ajax's 44-year-old world record of wins from the early 1970s. TNS have already secured a domestic league and cup double this season, and they will now go in search of a treble for a third straight year. And after a 3-0 victory over Connors Quay in the last four, Craig Harrison's men are now searching for a 7th Welsh Cup crown, while they are also trying to equal Bala Town's record of winning the competition for a 4th year in a row.
So it's certainly a special competition, it's got lots of history, and we've done really well. I think if we can go on and win the Welsh Cup as well, we've exceeded last season because we've got the semi-final at Edinburgh Cup and we broke the world record in between. Just when you think you can't go any further and get any better, then the lads produce another fantastic season like they have.
O'n i'n bod yn y 3-4 blwyddyn diwethaf a so da ni'n ennill lot o pawb yn edrych ymlaen iddo a da ni'n da ni eisiau ennill y treble. Dyma'r cwpan ti eisiau ennill hefyd, y lig, pawb eisiau ennill o mewn, mae'n diwrnod special i gobeithio ennill a fydd o'n diwrnod dda i'r ddau clwb a gobeithio fydd o'n ychlysu dda i bawb.
I think the main thing is to win another trophy. Every year we set our own standards and we try and improve every single season. I think we've still got the best team to play. I think it shows in the league. Bala second in the league. I've come to this club to win trophies and I'm looking forward to hopefully win another one.
It is, it's definitely a historic cup that I've got a soft spot for, and there's 3 or 4 of the lads in the dressing room that haven't won a Welsh Cup yet, which I think take the league out of it. It's the most prestigious competition domestically that we play for.
The final's going to be a tough test and they're a real good team, but we'll go about it a bit different and hopefully surprise them. And a lot of averages I think that we've deserved the win in the games that we've played against them, so maybe hopefully it'll come in the biggest game of all. We've been fortunate that we haven't played a Welsh Prem team in the cup so far, so it was a good game against Carnarvon and a great atmosphere, and hopefully a few of them Carnarvon fans will come and follow us in Bangor.
I think you always know what to expect when you're playing against TNS. It's going to be a tall order for us, but like it was last time, to be fair, and like it is every time you play them, but we'll give it 100%. Cup football's difficult, and it's if there's any day where you can go and spring an upset, the cup final's a perfect time. We were thrilled to bits to be, competing in Europe again this year, so hopefully we can win the final and go and finish off a good season. It's a great day. I suppose I'll be more relaxed, having been there before, and haven't experienced, losing and winning the final, so hopefully I can pass, some of those or some things I've taken from those finals to the lads, and help out that way.
I think we've been very consistent for the 2 games that I've been here anyway, and I think we thoroughly deserve our place in the final. A final at any level is a big achievement, and we want to go. We don't just want to get there. We want to go win it as well. So we don't see any reason why we can't go win it. TNS are obviously a good side, and I've played them once while I've been here. I think a one-off match in a cup final is completely different. There's been lads that have been in the final before. I think Venice has won it before, and I think that experience will be invaluable to us really on the day. Every home game we have, there's always the same fans there, which is a great credit to them, and it'd be great if we could do it for them also. For everyone in the back room who works at Bala as well, that it'd just be great if for the whole community, not just the football club, to win the game.
It's important that we try and win it for everybody involved and don't let the occasion pass us by.